unbox it, so let's go! Kinda hard to do it. I'm peeling off the whole.
Okay, let me see.
I'm scared. How do I fix that?
It's okay.
Just peel that.
No problem.
It's okay.
No.
I'm ripping off the package. Okay, there's another one. Another thing. Okay. Keep this one doesn't rip. I keep ripping the package. Yes. I hope I don't rip it.
It's okay. No, wait.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, open.
Wow! There's a little Lego piece.
Oh.
These are the instructions. Oh, this is different. Another one. And another one. Yay! I see the beehive. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Oh, it's okay, I can do it. Wait, no.
Riri,
I need a cutter.
no. You need to see the instructions first, Riri.
Oh yeah.
Before you build.
Oh, where's the bear? Oh, there's the bear. I see someone's head.
Okay, I'm gonna help.
Oh, I can do it. Woo!
Okay, don't mix it though. Don't mix it.
Yeah, I promise I won't mix it into the
Wow.
something fell. Ah, here. It's someone's helmet.
Okay. Okay, let's see the instruction first. You didn't see.
Oh yeah, this is the honey.
Mm-hmm.
The comes. I see someone's head in here.
Okay, let's build it.
Open it. Let's open it too.
There we go. I said don't mix it.
Oh.
Oh, but it's fine, I think.
Okay, I got someone's head.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the instruction.
Oh, one more. You said don't mix it, but
Yeah.
but at least I don't make it. We mix it with the others.
Okay.
It's gonna fall.
Okay, let's build it.
Oh,
you ready?
There's a telescope.
Okay.
This way. Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's build it.
Oh, what is this?
I don't know. So let's just put this aside.
I don't think so.
Here, there's one over there.
Where? What do you mean one?
There's one.
Oh yeah. Here it is. Ah, the little bear.
Uh-oh.
Okay, now
Okay,
hit
first.
her. There we go. Gimana?
Kenapa?
Whatever, I'm just gonna see the instructions. So, what is this, a chair? Oh. So we need this piece. Yo.
Jatuh, ambil. Mana?
Where is it? no.
Oh no.
Where is it, Mommy?
That's the white.
Yeah.
The white color.
Ah, here it is.
Yeah.
I hope nothing.
Okay.
Okay. First, we need. Where's that brown piece? Ah, here it is. Now, this. Now we have this. And then we need. Mommy, I can't find the clear thing.
The clear thing.
Kayak itu kayak ini tapi enggak.
Ya. Ntar Bunda cariin ya.
Nah, ini.
Ada.
Yeah. There we go. Now build this. In here, there we go. Now put it over here, I guess. Okay, that's what the instructions say. And now let's build the car. Okay. So we need, okay, and that piece. Okay, this. Okay, I have one of this now. The second to that. Found one. Was it one? Yes. Okay. Ta-da!
Oke.
Oke, ada mobilnya. Nah, mobilnya ada ini. Oh, pasti ini. Nah, di sini. Tapi belum muat tuh. Ada terus. Buat ini apa? 4 itu. 4,
Ya.
1, 2, 3, 4. Sekarang dari mana? Taruh di situ. Ini. Nah, di sini. Ini terus satu lagi di sini. Nah, di sini.
Oke.
Now, what do we need? An orange piece. Where's an orange piece? Ah, here it is. Put it on that side. Okay, now we need that. There we go. There we go. Now this one. Oh, got on the wheel. There we go. There we go.
Oke.
Now putting on the wheels so it can move like a car. Press it in. There we go. Got one wheel. 3 more. Just need hard pushing. Okay. Now 2 more. One more, and then There we go.
Oke.
Now let's look at it. We need a green. Okay, we need a green piece. Yeah, but it's a car. It's a car, but she's skateboarding on the car. Okay. Car all set up. Now we need this piece. We're all done with that. Now this. And then now. Okay. We need one this, one this. Okay, so we need one of these. And here it is. Now, where do we put it? Okay, everyone, I already made 2 creations. So I made this girl with this skateboard or the skateboard car. I don't know what is this because there's wheels. And then I made this tree that the bear can eat the honey. So the bear can drink the honey. And then when I pull this and then do that, the hide is gonna go to the bear, and then the bear can drink it. So, okay, I'm gonna go start again. And now I need this green part, and then we're gonna build this. We need this. We need one of this and then this. Okay, I need this and then this. So I put it. Okay, sorry. I need to put this. Put the hat here. Okay, everyone, I'm done playing with my Legos. I hope you like this video about me building the Legos. Okay, everyone, bye. Assalamualaikum.